Hello there, peoples. I don't know if you're having the same problem as me when you try to click on a game. I mean, I'll try Forza 4 and it comes up with this. The code execution cannot proceed because of XIMPUT1 3.dll was not found. Reinstall the program may fix this problem. Now, we all know that even if you do reinstall the game, it's no going to fix the problem. So it's talking shit. It's talking a whole load of pish here. So we'll close that and we'll try GTA. You see it did the exact same, see? Comes up with the exact same shite. The code execution cannot proceed because of the X input, blah, 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 blah. Right? So, obviously we know, we've established there's no point in reinstalling because it's nothing really to do with the game. It's the actual computer itself. It's your System 32 because that's where the file is. Now, how to fix it? You want to go to your favourite browser or whatever browser you prefer. Now, I'm going to put a link. There's two things you need. The DLL that's missing and this DirectX shit. So I'll put them in the description below so you can just click it and come straight here into the other page that I'll show you in a minute. So once you're here, you want to scroll down and you want to click download here, like so. As you can see, I've already been here. Let's get rid of that shite now. Right, so that's that downloaded. I'll go into my download folder just to make sure. Yep. Right, so DirectX setup, you need that. This might even sort it on its own without the other file, but I generally do the both just to make sure. So anyway, you've got this file here. I'll minimise that. Once you're on here, like I said, scroll down, click download. Once you've done that, you can pretty much close this shit. And then you come here, which, like I said, I'll put this link in the description below so you don't have to type shit in and try to look for it or whatever. Once you come here, you need to scroll down. Now, this is the file that you're missing. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to what architecture you use. Now, that's System 32. I mean, Windows 32, should I say. Most computers nowadays are using 64-bit, unless it's an old computer that you're using. But if your computer isn't that old, the chances are it's 64-bit. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find 64, which this one here, this will do. As you can see, 64-bit architecture instead of your 32-bit. So you want to click download here, like so, and it should download it, which it has here, as you can see. Once you've done that, you can close your browser down, open up your download page, your download folder, should I say, and then you want to install the DirectX first. Now, just to show you, ain't working, right? Anyway, so you want to install this first, accept. I wouldn't bother with the Bing shit because that's exactly what it is, a lot of shite. So take that tick out of there, there's nothing else, so just click next and let it install its stuff. Take a wee bit of time. Well, it shouldn't take that long, it's no a big file. It's only 90k, 90 kilobytes. Next. Do. Come on. But like I said, you might even get away with just installing this on its own without the other DLL file here. But I would put it in anyway, just in case, because this should technically install that file, but just in case it doesn't. So we'll click finish, and that's it. You can keep this in a backup drive or delete it or whatever you want to do with it, who cares. Anyway, next what you want to do is you want to take this XIMPUT1 file, you want to right click it, so make sure you've got WinRAR or 7-zip or something installed. So just right click it and click extract here. And there you go, that's it extracted. This is the file here that you need. The README doesn't really tell you jack shit, to be honest. Which pointless really having the README, because it doesn't tell you where the fuck to put it. You know what I mean? It's not telling you where to install it, so I'd forget about the README file. Anyway, what you want to do is just keep this here now, and you can open up this here, click file, and then click open to open another page. Now you want to go to this PC, then you want to go to your C drive and open that. Now you're looking for a folder called Windows, which is here. Now you want to double click this, and you want to scroll to System32. So you can just press S on your keyboard if you want, and it'll take you to the S's. Then you go to System32. You can either open it or just copy straight to it. But I would just open it, to be honest. But you can basically, this is System32 here, right? So you basically go to, I'll show you again just in case. You want to go to this PC, then you want to go to your C drive, Windows, and then go down to System32, which is here. Now you can take this file here and either right click and click copy and paste into your System32 folder, replace, like so, and that's basically it. Or you can drag it into there, whatever you want to do, however you want to get that in there, that's how you do it. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So you can pretty much just close all this shit down. I usually get a wee refresh like so, and now if you click on any one of them, it should work. The new. So there you go, that's basically how to fix your games with a missing DLL XIMPUT file. So I hope this video was useful. Give me a like if you want, if no, all good. Happy gaming anyway. Peace out.